Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Callas adjustable portable laptop table. This is a very basic portable laptop table. As you can see from the illustrations on the box, this laptop stand is suited for working while standing, on a sofa, on a bed, and even outdoors. There is no other info on the box other than the Callas logo, so let's get to the unboxing. All the contents of the box are in this plastic sheet. Let's take them out. First off, we have a user manual. This details all the parts of the table and where to attach all the pieces. Next, we have a pair of soft notches. These will prevent the laptop or other things from the tabletop from falling. The soft notches go in the grooves on top here. You can see the Callas logo. This table is large enough to fit a 17-inch laptop and then some. Let's take a quick look at what's underneath. These are the foldable legs. They are locked right now. Let's unlock them first. Now you see what the table will look like when it stands on the legs. The height of the table can be changed. The legs come with 4 height levels. Additionally, the top can be swiveled to an angle of 30 degrees. You can fold the legs back for easy storage as well. And that is all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.